You know how every great superhero has their gadgets, a cool suit, a grappling hook, maybe a giant hammer? Well, the world of IT has its own heroes, the network pros. And today, we're going to crack open their utility belt and check out the amazing tools they use to literally build and save our digital lives. Let's dive in.
Welcome to Super Courseva. Unlock the secrets of the internet and master computer networking. Let's dive in.
So what's actually in there? That's what we're here to find out. Because when the internet goes down, when everything goes dark, these are the tools that bring it all back to life. We're going to look at the tools that build the network from scratch, the ones that help investigate when things go wrong, and, my favorite, the gadgets that let you see the invisible forces of data all around us. All right, first things first. Before you can fix a network, you got to build it, right? So these are the foundational tools, the hammers and chisels, so to speak, used to forge the physical connections that our data zips across. Our very first tool sounds pretty simple, but don't be fooled. This one requires a really delicate touch. Let's meet the cable stripper, but everyone just calls it the peeler. Its whole job, its only job, is precision. Think about peeling a banana. You want to get that tough yellow skin off without mashing up the fruit inside, right? Well, that's exactly what this tool does, but for a network cable. It gets that plastic jacket off so you can get to the tiny little copper wires inside without damaging a single one.
Okay, next up, it's time to bring in the muscle. This is the Crimper, and honestly, its nickname, the Crusher, pretty much tells you everything you need to know.
So, you've used the peeler, you've carefully lined up all the little wires inside that clear plastic plug that's called an RJ45 connector, by the way. Now what? Well, that's where the Crusher comes in. You slide that plug into the tool, you squeeze the handles hard, and it just crushes these tiny metal pins down, piercing right into the wires and locking everything together. That's the handshake that makes the connection permanent. And now we've come to my personal favorite of the builder tools. This thing has, hands down, the greatest nickname in all of IT. I want you to meet the Violent Stapler. Now, this is not a crimper. It does a totally different job. You don't use this on the end of a cable. You use it for putting wires into a wall jack or a big patch panel in a server room. You just lay a wire over a tiny little metal slot, press down hard with this tool, and you get this incredible, amazing click chunk. It shoves the wire into place and snips off the extra bit, all in one shot. Seriously, it's the most satisfying sound in all of networking. So let's just nail this down so there's no confusion. A crimper puts the plug, the male part, on the end of a cable. A punch-down tool connects a wire into the jack, the female part that's in the wall. They're just two sides of the very same coin. Okay, the network is built. Awesome. But we all know what happens next. Eventually, something breaks. A connection dies. And that's when our hero puts away the builder tools and pulls out the detective kit. It's investigation time.
First up in our detective kit is an absolute classic. It's a duo called the toner probe, or, if you want to be more poetic about it, the fox and hound. Because this tool, my friends, is all about the hunt.
I want you to picture this. You're in a server room. It's a disaster. It looks like a spaghetti monster made of blue cables. None of them are labeled. And you have to find the one cable, out of hundreds, that goes to some person's office. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? Well, not for the Fox and Hound. So here's the mission. You take the Fox, that's the tone generator, and you plug it into the wall jack in the office. It starts sending this little electronic song down the wire. Then you go back to that disaster of a server room, pull out the Hound, the probe, and you just start waving it over that tangled mess. And as you get your probe near the right cable, you start to hear a faint beep, then a louder beep. And when you're right on top of it, it's screaming, beep! You found it. It is literally like a Geiger counter for cables. You can find that one needle in a massive haystack. Problem solved. So you found the cable. That's great. Or maybe you just made a new one yourself. But is it actually good? Does it work? For that, you need to give it a physical. You need a cable tester, otherwise known as the health check. This little device gives you a full report card. It checks for continuity, which just means, hey, is there a secret break in the wire somewhere inside that you can't see? It checks for crosstalk. Are the signals bleeding into each other and causing a mess? And maybe the most important thing, it checks the mapping. Remember those 8 tiny wires? If you get even one of them in the wrong order, the whole thing is useless. This tool tells you exactly what and where the problem is. Okay, this next detective tool is so simple, it's brilliant. It's the Loopback Plug, and I just call it the mirror. So how do you know if the problem is the cable or if the computer itself is broken? This is how. You unplug the network cable and you plug this little guy in. All it does is take the signal coming out of the send pin and loop it right back into the receive pin. The computer is literally talking to itself. If it sends a message and hears its own message back perfectly, then hey, the computer's fine. The problem has to be somewhere else.
All right, we've built the network, we've diagnosed its problems, now we get to the really fun stuff, the futuristic gadgets. These are the tools that let a network pro see the invisible forces that are all around us every single day.
And first on our list is something many of us have on our phones or laptops right now, a Wi-Fi analyzer. Its job is to take the invisible world of Wi-Fi waves and make it totally visible.
Now, why is that so important? Well, with this, you can literally walk around your house and see where your Wi-Fi signal is super strong and where it just completely disappears. Yep, the dreaded dead zones. You can also see all the other Wi-Fi networks around you and check if maybe your network is on the same channel as your neighbors, which can cause a ton of interference and slow both of you down. And finally, we have a tool that sounds like it came straight out of a spy movie. This is the network tap. Now this is a serious piece of hardware. You physically install it in line on a critical network cable, and it makes a perfect bit-for-bit copy of every single piece of data that flows through it, sending that copy to a monitoring computer. But here's the kicker. It is completely invisible to the network. It doesn't slow anything down, it doesn't cause interruptions. When you need to hunt for cybersecurity threats or find really complex bugs, this is how you do it. You listen in silently. So there you have it. The builder, the detective, and the advanced spy gadgets, all from the IT Heroes utility belt. From that super satisfying click chunk of a punchdown tool to the digital ghost hunting you can do with a Wi-Fi analyzer, every single one of these plays a vital role in keeping our world connected. So the only question left is, which one are you going to master first?